Okay, so we shall try sorting out this 911 slightly rotated blueprint. So do a right click, save image as, save it wherever you want to. Just call them BP for blueprint. Then go into that folder, right click, go open with Photoshop. Wait for that to open. I should have already had it open. I'll do it for next time. Right, then there we go. Right, so in view, make sure you have rulers on and extra. This will allow magic lines. Yay! You just need to stop being silly and take this seriously. There we go. We'll just stick 2 lines in there in the center of them 2 wheels, and then we go Control A to select all, and then Control T to transform, and then just rotate it a little bit. So that's pretty much nicely lined up there. So press enter to commit that. V to move, and then we'll just line these lines up a little better. And we'll drag that one down a little more. It's quite handy having these lines going through there also. Right, so that's them ones done. Let's also add these ones to the back side because it's a little bigger than the front. And also let's do it for this rear image also. There we go. And then from the left, pull these in again. There we go. And again. You'll see why I'm doing this in a second. That one's... Oh, hang on. It doesn't follow that line there, does it? That's helpful. That line. Yeah. That's slightly out of place by the looks of it. I'll add that one in. That one goes through this time. Even that one's still slightly out. Right, zoom out. Cough down the mic. Right, so from here I'll need to press M for marquee. Cancel that one from the rotation. Let your cursor on that blue line there, and it should snap to it. Oh yeah. Control C to copy. Control N for new. Enter to commit. Control V to paste. Then V to move. There we go, let it snap. Control S to save. Drop it in as a PNG. I've already got one. BP side, there we go. From here, let's close that. See, press N for no, press M for more key. Do the same again with all the rest of them. There we go. Drag the box around that one also. Control C, Control N for new. Agree with that. Press Control V to paste, V to move, let it snap, and then Control S to save. Change it to PNG, rename it, save. And then just close off. No, and M, and do the same again with the next ones. There we go. That is the blueprints straightened up and taken out and saved.